Mastering time and frequency. How to talk about your lunchtime routines in English. Hello learners. Welcome to our new episode. Today, we will learn how to describe our lunchtime routines using the concepts of time and frequency. This will help you express your daily habits more accurately and naturally. So, grab a pen and a notebook and let's get started. Time and frequency refer to when and how often an action happens. When we talk about our lunchtime routines, we often need to specify the time of our lunch and how frequently we have certain foods or do certain activities. To express time, we use terms like at noon, around 1 p.m., or late in the afternoon. To talk about frequency, we can use phrases such as every day, once a week, or occasionally. Example, I usually have my lunch at noon every day. I sometimes have a sandwich for lunch. To talk about routines and habits, we primarily use the present simple tense. This tense is used to describe actions that are regular or normal. Example, I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I always bring a packed lunch from home. Remember, when using the third-person singular, he, she, it, add an s to the base form of the verb. Example, he always eats lunch at 1 p.m. Now, let's combine everything we've learned. Start by stating the time of your lunch, then mention the frequency of your actions. Example, I usually have my lunch at 1 p.m. on weekdays. I always eat a salad. On weekends, I occasionally treat myself to a burger. And there you have it. Now, you can describe your lunchtime routines in English using time and frequency. Practice these structures and, in no time, you'll be conversing naturally and accurately about your daily habits. Remember, learning a language is a journey, so take your time and enjoy the process. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video.